In today's video, I am going to show you exactly how to make money online in 2025, the actual step-by-step process that you can start today and get paid within the next 30 days. Now, if you have been online for any amount of time, then you have probably seen people talking about different ways to make money online. There are so many different gurus out there with their own products, their own methods that they sell to you, telling you that it is the best way to make money. But in reality, they are all just trying to sell you something, or trying to get more views and make more money off of you. I am not here to do that today. I am here to tell you the absolute truth about making money online. And the truth is, it has never been easier than it is right now. If you have access to the internet and you have a smartphone or a computer, then you have everything you need to get started making money today. Now, before we jump into the video, I want you to smash that like button. If you are new here, please consider subscribing because I upload videos every single week about making money online and building your wealth. Let's jump into this first method, which is affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is where you promote other people's products and earn a commission on the sale. So what you would do is find a product that you like and that you think will help solve a problem for a certain group of people. Then you would sign up for an affiliate program, which is basically like a free account that allows you to track your results and get paid commissions. After that, you simply put a link on your website, blog, social media, wherever you have an audience or wherever you can get in front of the right group of people. And when someone clicks on that link and makes a purchase, you get paid a commission. Now, the best part about this is that you only need one single person to buy a product for you to make money. If you sell a $100 product and you get a 50% commission, that is $50 that you get to keep. And if you get even just one person to buy, that is $50 that you make. Now imagine if you got 100 people to buy that product, that is $500. Get 1,000 people to buy that product. Now there are a lot of different ways to get people to click on your link. You could run ads, you could post content on social media, you could email people, but in my opinion, the best way is to build a website or a blog. A website gives you a place to send people to, and it also gives you a place where you can provide value and build an audience. If you can provide real value to people, show them that you know what you are talking about, then people are more likely to trust you and ultimately buy through your link. The next method is selling digital products. This is something that I have personally done for the last 2 years, and I have made multiple six figures doing this. It is incredibly simple and anyone can do it. All you need is a computer and some basic knowledge of how to use it. With digital products, you are essentially creating and selling things like ebooks, courses, Notion templates, website themes, website plugins, fonts, graphics, etc. Anything that you can create once and sell over and over again without having to create another copy of it. So what you would do is identify a pain point or a problem that people have. For example, let's say people want to learn how to create websites. Then you could create a course teaching people how to do that. After that, you simply need somewhere to host your product and somewhere to sell it. You could use platforms like Gumroad or Sellfy to get started. They are both very easy to use and they allow you to upload your product and set your price. After that, when someone buys your product, you get paid and they get access to download your product. Now, the best thing about this is that once you create the product, you don't ever have to create another copy of it. Let's say you create a course for $100 and you sell 100 copies of it. That is $10,000 that you make. And you don't have to go and sit at a desk and work for those $10,000. You just create the course once, and you get paid over and over again every time someone buys it. And the most amazing thing is that you can leverage your time and create one product that teaches one thing. But there are so many different ways to market that product. You could teach one thing but market it to different groups of people. You could teach one thing but sell it at different prices. You could bundle it with other products. There are so many different ways to sell and market your product that it is almost unlimited the amount of money that you can make. Next method is freelancing. This is where you basically sell your services to other people. You could offer your services on websites like Fiverr or Upwork. Now what you would do is find a service that you can provide that other people are willing to pay for. For example, let's say you are good at writing. You could offer your services as a writer. Or let's say you are good at graphic design. You could offer your services as a graphic designer. Or let's say you are good at web development. You could offer your services as a web developer. There are so many different services that you could provide and so many different ways to make money. Freelancing is a great way to make money online because you are essentially selling your time and your skills. You could charge by the hour or by the project, and the more in demand your skills are, the more money you can make. And finally, we have number 4, which is investing. This is where you basically buy ownership in a company or a project in the hopes that it will increase in value over time. You could invest in stocks, bonds, real estate, cryptocurrency, or even in yourself. Investing is a great way to make money online because you are essentially buying a piece of something that you believe in. And as that thing grows and appreciates in value, so does your investment. Now, the most important thing to remember about investing is that it is a long-term game. Don't expect to get rich quick. Instead, focus on buying and holding for the long term. There are many different ways to make money online. And the best part is that you can do it from anywhere in the world. You don't need to live in a big city or have a lot of money. All you need is a computer and an internet connection. Now, the most important thing is to pick something that you are passionate about. If you are not passionate about what you are doing, then you are not going to be successful. Pick something that you enjoy and that you are good at. After that, do your research and make sure that there is a market for what you are selling. And finally, be patient and persistent. Success doesn't happen overnight. Keep working at it, and eventually you will be successful. These are the 4 ways that you can actually make money online. But the truth is, there are so many more ways. The possibilities are really endless. It all depends on your creativity and your willingness to learn. I know that making money online can seem like a get-rich-quick scheme, but it is not. It takes time and effort to be successful. But if you are willing to put in the work, then there is no reason why you cannot make money online. It is possible, and I know that you can do it. Thank you for watching, and until next time, I wish you all the best in your online journey.